Are you sure you set me up with the right person?
Yeah, totally why.
I don't know, Clara. He looks 35.
And you're not 12.
There's a huge age gap. Just because you date older guys doesn't mean it's cool.
What the fuck is that supposed to mean? I think he's perfect. I'm just trying to help you out.
Help me get with a 35-year-old. What the fuck, Clara?
So what? He's hot, right?
You want to turn me into a strung-out whore? Maybe that's your vibe.
Fuck you, Emma. I thought we were friends.
Friends don't set each other up with creeps.
He's not a creep. He has a good job, stable life.
That doesn't matter. Oh my god, Clara, you're impossible.
Look, I just want you to be happy. Sorry if I overstepped.
Never mind, Clara. I'll handle it.
Hey, be safe.
Okay, whatever, successful or not.
Keep me updated, please.
Date was awkward as fuck.
So you didn't like him?
Right?
I'm really sorry.
He made it worse.
How?
Asked to split the bill.
Oh my god.
What the fuck even?
Unbelievable.
Felt so wrong.